Morning, how are we doing? We're here at Ardencote with people, lots of people. So you'll see on the thumbnail, you'll wonder what that's all about, and you need to have been at Portugal to kind of get that. So we all got given nicknames in Portugal, didn't we? Some of them more,
some of them better than others.
Some of them better than others. The poor Rich got Kryten.
I'm still trying to work that one out.
Mr. Parks got Harold Bishop. I had no idea how Neil got Fonz at all.
Just so cool.
Really? Try living with him. And I somehow got Sally Gunnell, which, consider that's a golf shot, I'm not sure I'm quite happy with that. Anyway, we're going to play some holes at Ardencote Manor. Excuse me. We're not quite sure where we're going to film yet, are we?
No, probably the back nine.
Back nine. We're going to warm up first, but we do need to film the first tee-offs. So we'll film the first and then we'll get cracking on the back nine. But it's me and Harold versus Kryten and Fonz. Who's going to win? Us, of course, because we're awesome and we've got look, fantastic coloured trousers and he has, and they're just boring, them two. So drop us a comment who's going to win and keep watching. Right, first tee. First off, we've got Rich Main. It's about 198 to the middle, par 3. Over in the trees over there somewhere. Should find that.
Oh sorry, good shot, well done.
Take the positive, it went forward.
It's easy chip on off the road, isn't it?
So it begins. Oh, bandits here, look.
Oh, he's in.
Just hit the bunker. I don't know if he got out or he's still in it, but he's just above it. Oh. Go on, teammate.
Pond, just don't get it in the pond.
Oh, mind games. That'll do. Just to the side down there. Oh.
Very painful bounce. It's up to you, my dear.
Thanks. 176.
Straight in from here, Con. Is it a pitching wedge?
I wish. The duff and run.
That'll do, that'll do.
It's forward.
Oh,
It's just supposed to be socially distancing, Con.
That's it, yeah.
So we didn't bother filming the rest of the first hole. We've seen our first tee shots, but we're all playing hole 6, which is a nasty ass little par 3. It's 97 yards from yellows, 92 from reds. So just have a look. Just have a look. Oh, there's water. Ugh. And Simon's going first.
Lucky me.
Let's get this over, come on. Oh, look at that. Up. Lovely. Back of the green. You see that there? Yeah.
Pressure there. The pressure.
The pressure. Oh, is it me next? Oh, crap.
Yes.
It's yours.
Oh. Sorry, what was the score again? We're not 2 up, they're 2 down.
They're 2 down. We're not 2 up, they're 2 down. On hole 6.
Yeah.
Just saying.
And we did actually take 3 off a tee each on the last hole.
Just to give them
a chance and on the practice hole to win.
Some more to that side.
It's going to be embarrassing on 18th though when we come back. isn't it?
Yeah.
The one.
Oh, it's moist.
Is it? Is it?
That's wet.
Oh, she's
yes.
on. She weren't expecting that though.
High.
Yes!
That is fantastic.
In your face! Oh my gosh!
That's about 4 or 5 foot from the pin. Fantastic.
She weren't expecting.
I weren't expecting that.
I thought you were going to pull it short there. That was brilliant.
I thought I was
Yeah.
damp.
Yeah, sorry, I used the wrong word.
Ooh. Sorry, no, that's moist. Moist is a word we don't use.
No, it's moist. The one that you don't use. It's
That's a whole different channel.
come on, man. Come on, you can do it.
If I can do it, you can do it. No, it's going around to each other. Oh!
Sorry, where
There it went.
Right, asking for a friend. The drop zone's around there.
So was that a bit moist?
Very moist. Wetter than an otter's pocket.
Oh! Neil's not even made it. Neil's, I don't know where.
I think you made it in the water.
It's Neil in the water.
Different way though.
Yeah. So just for record, is that me and you
Do you know what? I think it might be.
on the green?
So they're going to now lay up on a par 3.
Yeah.
Just saying.
Well, yeah. Interesting. So we're in the drop zone.
Did it make it to the pond? Yeah. Oh, okay. I'm lucky. It's a very good effort.
Sorry for shaking the camera.
Oh, hang on, wait a minute. Yeah, his clubs have got Fisher Price written on them.
Have they really? Is it like Tonka? Tonka toys.
Well, that looks nice.
Oh, that's better.
Oh, you
The Neil's just on there. What yardage is it from there, Neil, by the way?
I don't know. About 10. 90 yards. About 90 yards, I think.
So is that going to be a no-go anymore for you then, Rich?
Well, do you want to go again?
I mean, it's up to you if I'm losing more balls. All right then. I mean, you didn't have to.
Well, it'd be nice to see more than just 2 on the green. if it goes in, we win.
Simon, have you got your popcorn ready?
I haven't got enough bags of popcorn with me. It'll be here a while.
Oh dear. Come on, confidence. Confidence in it. That looks better. Yes.
Good shot.
He's on there.
Well done.
Take a bow for that one.
Good shot. Well played.
I found out, Rich, there's a worse thing than a bad loser, isn't there?
That's good winners.
Bad winner.
So Neil's there for
3.
He needs his water wedge.
3. Okay. And he gets 1 shot on the hole. Did I mention it's par 3?
Done well to get there in 4, mate.
But you're still playing sociable golf, you two, aren't you? You want to be together.
Good shot.
You want to be together? You get the fishing all out.
Yeah, I fit my ball retriever for water needs re-gripping. I've used it that much.
Are you going on Friday?
Sorry? Yeah, I am a little bit further on. So originally this place the original green went round here.
Alright.
And this was a deep steep runoff by about 4 feet.
Alright.
And you went on this side, you were bouncing straight into there.
Oh! That was mean.
Robbed.
Absolutely wrong. Oh! Did you? Taxi for me. We joked about 340, but we didn't mean it.
Yes.
3 net 2.
Is that 3 up as well?
That's not 3, that's 3 down.
Oh, they're 3 down, sorry,
Yeah.
yes. I'll pick up because I can't beat your score because you're that good. Can you beat oh no, you can't.
Are you two going to have a go?
I lose a ball. Nearly well in.
Nearly. Oh well.
That was a masculine shot away from being a good shot.
How do you feel about that, Neil?
I feel alright.
How do you feel about that, Simon?
I'm disappointed.
What for them?
Yes. Not angry, I'm disappointed.
On to the next one. So it's because we kind of won that hole. That means it's our honours.
Again, it's getting tiring this on.
It's getting a bit dull, isn't it? So hole 7, par 4, 230 yards. And there's a nice little tree there that kind of might get in the way sometimes, so we'll see. Oh!
Yes, so you know what I said about the pockmarks in that tree?
Yep.
There's another one. Sorry.
I think
Cheers, right there. Thank you.
I think you might have lost that ball in the water.
Think it went in the what? No.
It went bang in middle.
It'll be right. I've got plenty more in my pocket that they don't know about.
Let's drop it down the trouser leg.
Exactly.
Oh man, that's tough. Yeah. And Rich is going in the other trees.
I feel better about my shot now.
Oh, but we're just loving trees today, guys. Yes.
Trying to get rid of the crows for the courses. Would actually do them a favour.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Course management.
Exactly.
Of the different type. Oh! Oh, Neil went in. So Neil's ended up down that way. Whoops!
It's quality golf.
It's all about the quality golf today.
This is just pure quality. There's a bit of a theme on this hole.
And what's the theme? Trees.
Trees and not golf.
Well, I'm hoping that because I'm up there, maybe it's away from some trees, I might be alright.
Yeah. You'll just drive the green and knock it in again.
Well, yeah, that's my aim.
Oh yeah.
Straight down there, Claire. It's a nice straight hit for you. Yeah, that was awful.
Let's take it easy and go side. You got it? Excellent. I'm playing steady, I'm not going to go silly.
Aim for the big hole.
Yeah.
Filming you this way. I can see it all there.
Good shot.
Oh, you're short of that tree, so you're alright.
Lovely. Simon found his ball. And he's landed on the path down there. It's marvellous. Neil is over there. And this is Simon killing himself laughing.
No, I shouldn't laugh, but I'm going to.
Oh.
That was a good shot. It takes some skill to do that.
Can I catch a break? This tree here is one that people hit, and you can just see up there. There, I think that's where Simon hit it, where it rebounded off. So yeah, some real quality golf here today, ladies and gents. I think you can agree.
Good cat path.
On the cart path. So who's next? Is Rich next? Huh? Alright, so okay, Neil's gonna go. He's gonna try and go again.
Yeah. Yeah, the direction that we've not went.
Well, he landed somewhere on the fairway down there, so that's alright. And there we've got Rich, which is he's gonna try and go through a tree, I think. Why would you go try and go through a tree? Why? Hold your hats. That was through. Good shot. And now for Simon. Shot. Running right down there somewhere. Lovely shot. Well played.
Happy with that one. I've actually played a golf shot.
Yay. I'm sure we've got to, throughout the day, law of average, you've got to do one or two.
Yeah, you'd expect that, but unfortunately it's not really happening.
No. Blame the weather.
Indeed, the weather, and we're still, are we 3 up?
That's,
Oh, 3 down.
They're 3 down. They're 3 down, yeah. Let's just film these. Look at them running across the green. Look at their little legs. Ah. Anyway, back to golf. Right, Rich. See what I can do. You can see it's peeling it down here. I know. Where's he got? I think he's on the green.
Shot on the green.
He's on the dance floor. Nice one. Nice shot over the trees there. Neil too is on the green.
Good shot.
Wow. So they started to join us with golf now, Simon.
I think, yeah,
They'll try.
They've actually started to play now, haven't they?
Yeah, it's only taken 7 hours to warm up. More direct routing.
Yeah, it gives you a better angle in.
Yeah.
It's a good
It's a
tactical
feed out
play.
the way.
Yeah, yeah.
Damn it. Too much.
Okay.
Right. Nice shot. Slow down, slow down, slow down.
I'm happy enough for that. That's all right.
Yeah, not bad, not bad. It's nice though. Right in your way.
Oh,
Oh, lovely effort.
yeah, take away.
You can have that, yeah.
Yeah. Good shot now. Thank you.
Oh. Okay. Do you need to move my marker, Simon?
No, that should be alright. Go around it then.
Lovely. Five. Like that.
5 net.
4. It's 2 shots, 1 shot.
Yeah, it's hole 8. Index 8.
So 1 shot, 5 net 4.
Yeah. I've got a 4.
Is that
Oh, is that? Neil, can you help us out?
Yes, you've won. Well done. Congratulations, both of you. You've both played very, very well.
so is that we're no, that's 4 down.
4 down. Is it 4?
4 down. I thought this was a 3-hole challenge, this one.
Are
But
we
you've
3
won
or
in
5?
2.
Oh, we won 2, but overall we're there.
Yeah.
Overall, really, yeah, but you know, we could perform more. Yeah, do you want to try and redeem yourself?
Go up to 5.
Up to 5.
Yeah.
Yeah, why not?
Yes, do it. Right, we're on hole 14. 329 yards, yellows 319 for the reds, par 4. Simon has the honours. Apologies for the wind, guys, again. It's stopped raining now, though, that's a bonus. Oh, lovely. Over towards the bunker. You're over the bunkers, are you? Over the bunkers. Get in. Right. Hey, hi then.
Go for it.
straight shot hook. Shot. What a shot. Straight over those bunkers, right over there. Middle of fairway. Oh, sorry. That weren't. Never mind there.
At least we can find it. Being positive, we can find the ball.
You've got to be positive where you can.
Indeed, yeah.
Give me a second. Not sure where that's gone, but it's somewhere over there. Any idea you got it?
Yeah, got it, yeah. It was great shot, a fantastic bounce straight towards the hole.
Oh, like Sevi.
Yeah, it was
The Sevi
definitely
shot.
bounce. Yeah, yeah. There was no trees involved this time as well.
Nice one.
Little chip in for you there, Corinne.
Still chipping for me. Through the plywood.
There's no water.
Easy then.
Just a big ditch.
Oh. Okay. That's fine, we've got this. Oh, I've not got that.
You caught that on camera as well. That was hard luck, Corinne.
I meant to do that.
You've got to give them a chance.
I've seen
Give me a chance.
I've seen people lay up, Corinne, but never like that before.
Well,
You really must have been between clubs to do that.
I think I was trying something new, it didn't work.
Yeah.
What's happened? You forgot the goal.
Shots. Across the back, I think. Bit long.
Yeah, a bit long.
Well, we're not saying what that's long like.
Long like ride. No.
Temper.
Yes.
Long like your temper.
Yes.
Because obviously it's a family show. So this is Richard. Richard's tee shot. Cracking. Oh, I've got mine as well. I've got to hit mine. Damn it.
How have you gone over that ditch then?
I used the bridge to get over. You know, taking the direct route as you would, because why not? Tee shot. Cracker. Oh, lovely. About 110 to the pin there.
Oh, lovely shot.
Let's have it back. But just nice. Nice shot.
Shot, Rich.
Beautiful. He's turned up.
Stand up.
He's turned up.
Oh, yeah.
I'm being told off here because I'm being too slow. Neil's gonna go in the ditch.
In the ditch.
In the ditch. At least you'll be able to find it. What?
You have to wait so long over my shot.
Don't blame me for your rubbish shots. Don't blame me for your rubbish shots.
We were talking about Rich being vertically challenged.
All good things come in small packages, don't they, Rich? And on that note, it's being a bit dangerous here. Look, you got it. Well done. Well done.
Thank you.
Right on the green. I'll take that. There's Neil chipping onto the green. Oh, excuse this wind beam. I'm so sorry. Oh. What are you doing? You're on the green though. Let's see what these two are up to. Simon went too big. Chip and a putt.
Then not big enough.
Not big enough.
Can't have it all.
Too big, not big enough.
Yeah. Story of my life.
Story of everyone's life.
But it is cool.
It is cold.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, I'll give you that one. I'll give you that one. Who's coming on first? Who's doing what first?
Looks like me.
Let Simon come on. Oh, look at that. Good shot. Let Neil come up. Nice effort. Bit too big.
Speak to the other team, you can have that.
Take that away, yeah.
Take it away.
Well played.
Oh, 7. Awful. Awful 7. Oh.
Oh dear. Take that away then.
Take that away.
Was that for 5? Does? That's 4. Oh right.
4.
That's your hole then.
What are you on there, Simon?
I'm there for 4.
Oh.
He's done it again.
He always leaves it short.
No, it weren't short. It would have been in. It would have been. It was.
So you've got a crap aim then, is that what you're saying? So you've got a crap aim? A crap aim? Yeah.
So 2-1 with 2 to play.
2-1 with 2 to play. Exciting! So, hole 17 is a par 4 for the gents, par 5 for me. 381 yards for the yellows, 371 for the reds. And Simon's got the honours again in the rain.
Yeah, it's with the forgotten umbrella.
Simon forgot his umbrella. Simon's getting a bit moist. Nice. Nice stinger right down the fairway, look, can we see it?
Trying to keep it under
Down there.
honours.
Is that what you're doing? Keep it on the wind?
Yeah, it wasn't a bad shot, it was just trying to keep it under the wind.
You're totally meant to do that.
100%, 100%.
That's because you're a professional.
Yeah.
Professional of something.
Oh, definitely special something.
Ah. We ain't no fair weather golfers. You're a big one. You got it?
Right.
To the right. Makes a change of being from the left. Yeah, I've got a very nice bounce out of that hazard. I must have dropped my balls.
It won't be there, I wouldn't have thought.
It won't be there, it might be mine now. I might have dropped it out of my pocket.
Tee off, then you can go and check them.
Pass now. The rain's gone. Caught the ground there.
Forward.
Exactly, forward straight, hit the ground,
Yep.
Who cares? So this is just after Neil took his shot.
They're not floating, are they, them, if you do it twice?
That's how I was waiting for the second one to knock it out on the fairway.
So Neil just took his second shot after I filmed.
Well, you were gossiping over there, I couldn't wait any longer.
How rude.
It was close to being a lucky shot.
Well,
It was one tree away from being really lucky.
is that a good job I missed it then, yeah? So we'll start recording now before Neil takes his shot. And decides he's gonna not play. Oh, and
Well,
pesky trees.
He got both trees. He didn't manage to hit 2 trees that time.
I did it. That was that double look.
Yeah, oh definitely. Definitely, he's hoping it rubs off on his ball.
I'm not rubbing anything off his balls. Oh. Well, it went straight.
Yep.
Just maybe it shouldn't have aimed there. Oh well. Simon's got 179. He's having a think about what he wants to shoot with. With his funky uniform trousers. Oh, what a shot. Somewhere down there. Somewhere on the green. That was a good shot.
Wasn't too bad. It got a nasty jump, nasty bounce just before it.
It did.
So yeah, I'm happy with it.
I'm just zooming in on your trousers so that the people can see your trousers.
Woo-hoo! Unicorns of power.
Well, of course. Because why wouldn't you? So we've got, oh look, Rich and Neil are playing social golf. 2 metres apart, of course. Do this. He doesn't look right impressed with that one, I must admit. Oh, the sun's coming up. Marvellous. Well, he's out safe. He's safe there.
It's a good chip out, mate.
Neil's got about 165 to the middle, 152 at front. He's gone over that side somewhere. Ooh, there. At 135. Is that a strategy?
Just asking.
Asking for a friend?
Asking for a friend, yes. It's coming from the right side.
You've got no friend, Simon.
Oh, handbags, girls.
Yeah, it's wrong direction. Yeah, right there.
Oh, that would have been alright if I'd have been straight, but it was a nice shot out. Let's look over here a minute. Simon's stripping off. Nice shot. Oh, Neil. Nice chip.
Lovely shot.
Then we have Simon. Nice.
Good shot.
That was a good one, Corey. Well done.
Four.
Yeah, 4, well done.
Oh, take it away. Take it away. That's alright.
You might need to move in.
Throw it. Should do, shouldn't I?
Take it away, Corey.
Unlucky. Well, 6 net 4 though.
Sorry?
6 net 4.
Nice. Damn.
Would that have been our hole then, yeah?
Sorry?
Would that have been our hole?
Oh, I'm presuming if I get this, it'll be a sit next spot for me.
That's true, yeah. Be a half. Oh, but you have to get it.
Well, you didn't.
Unlucky.
Yeah.
So does that mean I win then, yeah? That hole?
Yes.
I'm running out of fingers to count the score.
Well, whose toes? Right, hole 18. Simon and I did actually win that last one, but we're still going to film hole 18 because it's an iconic hole. So, par 4, 305 for the gents, 253 for the ladies. Sorry, red tees, 253. I tell people off about that. Forward tees, not red tees, forward tees.
So as the crow flies, this one's 250 yards, but the actual playing distance around the dog leg is 300 yards.
Right, okay, so you've got the big balls to go for the drive.
Yeah,
You doing
What
it?
happens? I'm going to go for it, yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna have to, you're over the tree at least. Straight down there.
It's not too bad.
Chip and a putt.
Yeah, chip in the putt.
Ish. Big chip.
Not too bad, I hope.
Go round. Oh, pesky rain again. Might be a pond there. Have a look. Oh, you're kidding me.
Oh my god.
I hit the tree. I don't know where it went.
Just straight down the fairway there.
Oh,
Down
okay.
the fairway there, I can see it.
Fabulous.
It's down there, look.
Well, found his ball, very close to the water. He's over, you jammy get.
How can he do that?
How on earth?
Especially. Yeah.
I've never known anyone.
You haven't got to be lucky.
Honestly,
Hang your head in shape.
you should.
Corin, I'm not being funny, right? That were a lucky shot. But some of the films we've got on, shots we've got from you on camera.
Yeah, well.
Yeah.
Yeah, well. Do this. Ah,
Lucky.
how's it up? Nice. Sit.
Sit. Got the green.
On the
I can take
green.
that.
Yes. Have it. Oh, back if you're rich. Run, Forrest, run. Oh, what are you doing? I'm not doing it right now. I've lost the plot. I had to have a plot to lose, granted, but I've lost it. You know. Nice one. Now, Rich found his ball. Found it very, very, very far back. He lost his balls. Well out. Good effort.
Oh, hard luck.
So close and lucky.
So close. Lovely chip on.
Go on.
Oh, well done. All caught on film as well. In for 2.
In for 2. 3.
3 though. 3. Still a birdie. Is that a gimme for me?
Yeah.
Thanks. Oh, lucky.
Had to try. We just got to chase the ball around.
So you're just going to play at it, you two? Lovely. Oh!
Yeah.
I didn't want to go in, did it, to start with?
Wiped its feet.
So, we've just got off the course. I think we've experienced every single season going. We're all drenched like rats, but we've had a right laugh, haven't we?
Indeed, yep. Been great fun.
So we had 2 little matches within this. We had what started out to be a par 3 match. No, not par 3. 3-hole match even. So we won the first 2. So we thought we'd give them a chance to redeem themselves, didn't we? So we changed it into best of 5. They then came back and won the 3rd.
Yep.
We won the 4th, so there's no point in...
No, that's it. It was just, yeah.
Game over.
Yeah.
Game over. So we did also, you've seen, we did also have to film the whole 18 as well, just to kind of get that in with the big tree and everything. But we did also have a pairs betterball match play over 18 holes. Now, I'm not gonna you know, build this up. We whooped their asses, didn't we?
Kicked them royally.
Obviously, it's a princess, you know, the royal thing.
Just 1 point.
What?
Me and Rich haven't been there. Bad losers, have we?
No, very gracious in defeat.
Would you say we've been playing with some bad winners?
There's no such thing as a bad
There's
winner.
a bad winner.
Yeah.
So we
Very
actually
gracious.
we actually whooped them 7 and 5, didn't we?
Yes, unfortunately it was. Unfortunately for them, it was 7-5. So
Yeah.
they're actually going to go and. Well, I think one of the problems is the Fisher Price golf clubs.
Yes. I think one had Fisher Price, one had Tonka toys. Absolutely. So, well done, partner.
And you, very well played, very well played. Everyone was great fun.
In fact, we did have a good laugh, didn't we?
Yes.
So even you two have played very well in your
Debatable. In parts.
in your loss.
Yeah, you came up to play today, Corey. You
And,
played.
I did play quite well.
Yeah.
Anyone that wants to play with Simon, if they can get in contact, because he's not got many friends.
It's a ginger thing.
I don't know why.
And the other thing is this this first time that I've played at Ardencote and first time Neil's played. You two have played before, haven't you?
Yes.
So first time we played it, fantastic course. I mean, it was a bit tragic that we had all the rain on the way around, but the course itself it's a lovely course to play. So if you're in the Warwick area or you fancy a day out, head down to this place. It's Ardencote Manor Hotel and Golf. I'll put the number across at the bottom that you need to call to make a booking. But it's well worth a visit. I mean, I'll definitely come back up here, down here. It's down from me, isn't it?
Once the world's finished ending,
Yes.
they've got a fantastic spa here with all the facilities, indoor pool, outdoor pool.
Which
blah, blah,
I
blah.
shall definitely be here to have a go at. And they do weddings as well, so if you're getting married, come and have a look at it for your wedding venue. Why not? So, but yeah, thanks to Ardencote for, I say hosting us, letting us riff-raff come on your course and have a jolly good time.
Yeah, thank you.
And thank you guys for coming along to play with us. Because we've
Thank you. I have enjoyed it.
No problem.
we have
Thank you.
enjoyed it, we've had a good laugh. So hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the like button, and spread the love with your mates. You know, but better still, come and have a round with me, because at the minute I'm unbeaten. So who's going to take me down? Which of you guys? Because they didn't manage it. Hashtag winning.
challenge is on.
Hashtag winning. So catch you soon. Take care and stay safe.
Bye everyone.